Hello, YouTube. Hello, year he. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my world. My name is Savah, and if you didn't know, now you know. How are you guys doing on this wonderful day? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. As you can see by the title, today we're about to have us a good old jolly little time. Today we're going to be reacting to XG in the Rain. Now, we are reacting to this based off demand. I'm going to give the people what they want. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to deliver. I did see that this is a part of an album. I'm thinking about doing an album reaction video to this. Or do you guys want something else? Are you guys ready to move on? Because I personally can stay on XG for the next 365 days or however many days are left in this year. You already know the schedule, you know the drill, you know how we do it. We're gonna react to the music video and then we're gonna get into a live performance. And then we're gonna talk about it and we're gonna discuss. So let's get into it. Okay, there we go. Cause we had each other, fall through the weather. There were no other like this. And then it started it, baby it's so. If you didn't, okay. Girl, that's effortlessly being cut. Now, I'm trying to focus on the song itself, but how can you focus on the song itself when you just got people being effortlessly cut? You got Shorty with the umbrella just... But you expect me to listen to the music. You expect me to get into the music. How if you're distracting me? Miss Cunt? Miss Cunty Pants? Start it over. Thank you. You ready, Dwada? I'm ready too. That's Cunt. I love the slow reveal, honey. Y'all saw that in the background? Somebody is outside in the window being cunt. That's what I'm talking about. That's all I have to say. Cunt, Miss Cunty Pants. Okay, we in the water. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Feels like time drop. Each try. I'll be dancing in the rain. All by myself like I'm safe. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about everything. Wow. What was that? Let's take that back. Wow. my favorite part of that video was at the end. Well, I did like the slow reveal of the members in the beginning, and I don't know if anybody clocked the background when it was just somebody being cut with a umbrella, but you couldn't see them. It was a silhouette. That was, see, that is chef kiss. That little dance break when it was had me spinning around in a room to see everybody. That was tea. I feel like that needed like a VR. That gave like VR experience. Could you imagine an XG VR experience? Knowing them, they're probably working on that, so. Now it's time to see a live performance. I really want a good quality, high quality video. Like I gotta see. We can do this one. I guess we can. This one looks interesting. We're gonna watch this one. Is it actually raining? Oh, okay, that's the back part. Now that would have been the scene. Uh-oh, my baby umbrella fucking up. Oh no, my baby. Oh, girl, it's too windy. I don't want to watch that one. I don't want to watch my girls aggravated. They deserve nothing but the best of the best of the best. And that's what I'm going to watch of them. Because they probably will want me to watch the best of the best of the best for them. So I'm going to do that for them. We're not watching that one. I want to see them at their best, you know? Now, what about the world tour, first world tour, the first how? Okay, we're going to my quality is so blurry. Oh, we can work with it though, because that was, ooh, honey. My quality is so blurry though. Oh my God. Come on, umbrella choreo. Come on, Babylina! Just the way she looks, it just gives. I'm cunt, don't fuck with me. I love you all, but I'm cunt. Now you see why. She's kind. I like her too. With the blonde hair. Run that back. Did you see her face when she did it? Hold on. Did you see her face when she did it though? Now she looked a little more relaxed than I did. She looked a little more relaxed than I did because that ain't in my octave, boo. But that cunt. Cause who told you to do all that? Get back in line. Give her a raise. And the gag is, the budget went up immediately after. I just wish it was raining. For real, for real. Like, this XG. So I'm pretty sure they would have figured out somehow a way to be like waterproof on stage for that moment. It's like, I don't put nothing past them. These girls are like secretly sirens with the dancing and the singing. Who's by Ocean Ivy got? I haven't really ran into anything that I thought was like, ew, no. What is this? I have not came across that yet, and I don't think I will. These girls are not from America, and they learn English to dominate. I'm not gonna let nobody forget that. Every video about XG, I'm gonna make sure I include that, because that is like impressive. They make me want to go learn some Korean so I can come over there and spice it up. I don't know how you find a group of people that blend together like that, chemistry, mentally, physically, like that, aesthetically, like that, but they did the damn thing, honey. And you're not gonna get another group like that no time soon. So I suggest you get into it. You come in here, you get into it, and you enjoy that while you have that. Because this is not gonna be a remake of this, ever. But that's how I feel about that. But the song itself, I cannot listen to anything else right now besides Hypnotize. Now, once my Hypnotize era is up, I might can come back to this and be like, yeah! Like, what the hell is in that song? Like, it's no reason I should be addicted to a song like that. But that's all I have for you guys for today. Thanks for watching as always. And let me know what we're going to react to next. Is it going to be XG? Or do you guys want to move on to another group? Thanks for watching as always. And if you was having a bad day, I hope I had the chance to make it better. And until next time, mwah.